Hello, it's me. A screen reader is a form of assistive technology for the blind. It enables text and images recognition by converting them into speech. It can be used for various purposes, like interacting with friends.
Message. Hi Amanda. How are you? Your message. Hey Ival. I am fine. Message. Want to go lunch later? Your message. Sure.
Paying bills, text messaging, browsing the internet.
MUUDSORX. Search. Google. Music. Search field.
You name it. There are many screen reader softwares: NVDA, JAWS, VoiceOver for iPhones, TalkBack for Android phones. Examples include adjusting speed,
45%, 55%, 65%, 75%, 85%.
selecting different speech profiles,
Daniel. Edit Daniel. English. Back button. What's Tessa English? Selected Kate. Button. Kate. 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 Enhanced.
Selected. Kate. Enhanced.
turning on photo description mode,
Photo. Image may contain Amanda Kong. Button. Double tap to open photo. Adult. Clothing. Raw glass.
and many more. Bye for now.
Hello, my name is Brian Lariche and I'm the CEO of the Make It Right movement. We live in a world today where the technology for the blind has improved in leaps and bounds. So much so that my colleagues who are blind use this technology to a point that I forget that they are blind sometimes. We have to make sure that our apps and our websites are blind friendly. And more importantly, the blind community needs to embrace this technology. Only then they can reach their full potential and we can live in a world that's more equitable. Let's do this together. Thank you.